Glow team, we got 20 minutes to save the world. Or die trying. No pressure.
You fools! Why you were busy being heroes, I was rewriting the laws of physics! Wait, why is it glowing? Oh my gosh! Did you see that? It went boom! And she was like bam! And then... okay, I'll shut up now, but that was so cool!
You can knock me down 100 times, but I'll just keep standing because I'm not fighting for me. Ugh, I'm fighting for everyone! Behold, my ultimate creation, chaos and carnage, stitched together from the screams of fallen heroes. Isn't it just delightful?
Okay. So, the reactor might explode in 30 seconds. Minor detail. But hey, what's a little science without a little spice? Oh, come on,